Hey everybody, this is Lena's Pretty Things and Dumpster Diving Gals. Again today, I'm going to show you a little small haul from Hobby Lobby. Okay. My husband picked him out some craft sticks. And these little breakaway things, books, whatever they are. And he got him some angel wings. That's his stuff, okay. Then I ended up getting these things for the 4th of July. And this for the 4th of July. And then I got me some, well, they're calling it trim, but to me it looks like beads. And then this trim. And I got that for a certain someone for a birthday. And these things for charms. And those things. Nail. Yes. Okay. And more charms. And these little buttons. And I got these screw eyelets. And I got some gloss glaze. And some Bacon Bond bakeable clay. And I got some cord crimps. And I got Sculpey Spring Lilac. Sculpey Sweet Potato. Sculpey Black. Fimo Peppermint. Some more jump rings. Some teardrop chandeliers. Some souffle turnip. Primo orange. Primo bronze. Primo Caldrum yellow hue. Primo Accents gold. Sculpey just orange. Sculpey suede brown. Sculpey ballerina. Some lobster clamps with eyelets. And that is it. And that all came out to, what's it say? $103.01, and I saved $14.61. Woohoo! Yay me! Anyway, if you liked today's little unboxing or unbagging, as you will call it, give me a thumbs up, hit the notifications bell, subscribe if you haven't, share us, and everybody have a great day. Bye!